Market filter is a single window scan that helps you find stocks based on industry, beta, PE, and EPS. Step 1. Click on Market Watch. Now, click on Market Filter. You can filter stocks based on industry, high or low beta, high or low PE, high or low EPS. For example, if you select by industry, you can choose an industry of your choice, like cement. The filter will show you all the stocks related to the cement industry. You can then select a stock and add it to your watch list, place an order directly by clicking on the T icon, add the stock to your cart, set an alert for the stock. Try using the market filter today.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.